Hello, I'm Father, the guy behind the bar on the side. We're making stromboli today. So first off, you take pizza dough, you either make it yourself, or you'll buy it like I did, because I'm lazy. You roll it out, put flour on the table so it won't stick. Take a rolling pin, flatten it out real good like. Try to make it even as possible, without doing that. Rolling. Big gear wheels are throwing. Once you do that, you take some olive oil. Extra virgin's best. Olive oil. Extra virgin's best.
You might want to get it right side there.
This is my 18th video. I'm just starting out.
That looks nice. That looks like a 10 out of 10 pour. It's not like you just soaked half of it in it. You know, it's fine. You got it on the... Don't mind him in the background. Don't mind him. Look, you got it over the table.
It's a cooking surface, obviously.
Jesus Christ.
I got flour on the table too, didn't I?
Yeah, well, that's, like, understandable. But that much of it...
She spilled over a little bit, so that's alright. It's alright.
It's not alright. Who's gonna clean that up?
The maid.
There's no maid, no.
Not right now there ain't, but there will be. Get concerned.
He's fine. Don't worry about him. He has problems. You know this.
Oh, you take garlic salt.
Ooh.
You sprinkle on top of the olive oil. Make it nice and pretty like.
They also have to have. You absolutely have to have them. You know, the thing playing in the background. You know, the TV show.
Oh yeah, obviously you have to. You make it. Don't mind him. He's just weird.
He's slightly mental. By slightly, we mean we may need to get him a doctor.
Make your own pizza sauce.
Oh God! Why is it?
I'm once again lazy.
It's not focusing because of the light outside. There you go.
Pizza sauce. Go buy it.
Please.
Bring some on top of it.
I can't wait to get a studio because then we won't hear him in the background.
Studio, but the yelling.
This makes it better.
Pain. This makes the video.
If someone knows, like, if someone can tell us what episode this is and what show, I'll pin their comment in the comment section. That looks, you're doing great, yeah.
Thank you.
That wasn't sarcasm at all, you know?
Howdy.
We should get you a cowboy hat.
I got the flannel on, why not? Lord have mercy. Help me, Lord. He got a condition.
I love the music in the background too. Hopefully it's royalty free.
Welcome to Pioneer Man. Bacon today.
Welcome.
Country. Okay.
What was that move?
You get that started. Put the sauce on. You're going to take some cheese.
Yeah. How it is, you know.
Don't care what kind of cheese you use. As long as it's
Balloons,
the
cheese.
the meltable kind.
Yeah.
I got mild cheddar cheese. Just sprinkle over the marinara sauce, pizza sauce, whichever one you use.
Well, Axel's gonna make an appearance. He hears something. Isn't that right, Axel? You want some food? He's really confused. He has no clue.
Human food, not dog food. Take the next choice is cheese. You can use one cheese and use 15. Make sure you have an old man in the background saying, "Oh Lord." Otherwise, it won't taste as good.
It adds flavor. Also, if someone can count how many times he says "oh Lord" in this video, also put that in the comments.
Once you get that done, if you like meat in pizza, which most people do, unless you're vegetarian, and then it's done, be vegetarian. If not, add meat.
But isn't that like killing animals? Like, but doesn't like that happen in the wild? You know?
Well, no, this ain't the ball. This is not his kitchen after all.
They're overlord.
You can put as many pepperonis down as you want to. You can put less, none. You can add other meat.
You can make a drawing out of it. Doesn't really matter.
I personally myself enjoy some pepperoni.
Yeah, yeah. We can clearly see that. Clearly.
You have a problem with it?
I mean, no.
Hush. And make sure I got the right kind of pepperoni on the queso. Perfect. Once you pack it full of stuff that you like, so everything else off, take it and roll it like a big wheel. Just roll it. Stuff will move on you.
That usually happens.
I might have, believe it or not, used too many pepperonis, but I doubt it.
I don't think that's possible.
Well, no. If you don't make it mess, you done it wrong.
It's their slogan. See, there's a guy in the background talking about flavor.
Love flavor. Love it.
Actually, it looks pretty good already.
Obviously.
I mean, you are the chef.
Now, you can take any kind of pizza pan, one of the holes in the bottom is just fine. And what I like to do is spray it down with bacon spray. Not bacon spray, that'd be awesome. They won't stick to the bottom of it. I already preheated the oven at 375. You place this big bad boy on the pan. For my U shape, because you and I made this.
Hey.
And take a lid, not just swoosh it over the top of it.
Like an ocean.
Take it, put it inside the cap. And what you do here is slightly cover it. Right here, make that golden tint to it that you want. And just rub it. A little baby's tiny in, it's crying. Just rub it.
I'm gonna take that out of context. Don't make a video. This edit to a video about just like random things that he says.
You take a knife and you score it sideways. That don't count. He just says, "Oh, he is that old Lord."
Yeah. Actually, really wants it. He really.
Scored it makes it on and off look pretty when it gets done, but at least the heat go in and out correctly.
Yeah.
Want to? You can take some more. Normally I'll put Italian seasoning on top of it, but I don't have none. So more garlic sauce will be just fine. It is Italian after all. They love the garlics. Do that. Get some parsley.
It's probably not suitable for vampires.
Oh no. Parsley. Making it so pretty and such. It says the food is done after 35 minutes of baking at 475. Let's take it out and look at it.
Don't scare the dog, man. She's already got nervous problems. Got a little heart attack. Poor little thing.
Now, as it's still hot, I'll get some butter and some garlic salt and put around it to make it golden and delicious. First, do the cabinet. Get your bowl.
Look at that.
Just got your butter. I like using stick butter because it's real butter. It's not margarine. It's not as unhealthy for you. Once you have melted the butter, take some more garlic salt. Yes, I like my garlic salt. Get over it. Put it aside. Mix it up. And this was 4D, and you smell it. But it's not, so get over it.
The cameraman can smell it, and it smells pretty good.
Come over here. Brush it on, probably be the best idea, but I don't have one of those. And since I'm going to make a mess, the pan has holes in the bottom of them.
It'd probably be a good idea if you...
Bring it over here to the sink. Don't do that at home because my hands can't feel paint. Drizzle over the top of it. You can use this as dipping sauce, but I took the rest of the pizza sauce that we had left over and put it in 2 bowls in the microwave to get warm. No need to add stuff to that. I'll get 2 plates out. Honestly, all that noise is no more in this household.
It happens. Sorry for the bad lighting.
Knife and a fork. A knife is sharper than this.
Yeah, I mean, didn't seem pretty sharp over there.
Yep.
Take the whole thing with you, why don't you?
Look how delicious that looks.
Oh my.
Another scrumptious looking piece.
Now that's a 10.
Crack her up is what it looks like. Gooey, scrumptious, stromboli. Dip in the pizza sauce. Absolutely perfection. And this includes our very first episode of Father and Son, Let's Get Baked.